Okay, class 1, day 17, video 2. Complete your work on English in notebook. Second word is mango. Mango are also sweet in taste. So write mangoes here. Put yes. Then beans. Beans are sweet, not sweet, they are salty. So write beans here. Eggs. Eggs are also salty. So write eggs in the salty column. Okay. Or next is ice cream. It is sweet. So write in sweet food. And sweets are also sweet. So write sweets here. SWEETS sweets. Okay. Done. Do this on your English in notebook. Just then turn your page of English book, page 16. Reading time. Lesson number 3 of unit 3. The big pancake. Oh. Will the big pancake get away? Look here. This is pancake. Here is a woman. Look, here is a woman. She is cooking a big pancake. She is cooking a big pancake. Mom, she says, yummy. What a nice pancake. I want to eat you up. So the pancake says, oh no, says the pancake. You can't eat me. You can't eat me up because I'm running away. The pancake runs away and the woman runs after it. Here is a cow. Look at the second picture. The cow sees the pancake. Look. Moo moo, says the cow. What a nice pancake. I want to eat you up. Oh no, says the pancake. You can't eat me up because I'm running away. The pancake runs away. The woman and the cow run after it. Look at the third picture. Here is a dog. Look, here is a dog. The dog sees the pancake. Oh, woof woof, says the dog. What a nice pancake. I want to eat you up. Oh no, says the pancake. You can't eat me up because I'm running away. The pancake runs away. The woman, the cow, and the dog run after it.